of Fire and Emergency Services is conducting the 33rd drill competition across the fire stations of Goa. In the drill competition, all the fire stations are competing for the spot drill, ladder drill, pump drill and the tug of war. This annual event ensures that the firefighters are fit in their respective fire stations and they showcase their fitness during this drill competition, and this drill competition is will be rewarded. The awardees will be rewarded with the certificates and the trophies, and the culmination of this drill competition will be the annual inspection day parade, which will be held on 27th of February.